Hey you guys, Fastest Pastor here. Thank you for tuning in. On this video, we're going to be talking about a new gift I got from my co-workers at Quest Industrial, my family from Quest Industrial, the senior management group there, and also want to talk to you guys about our tractor pulling. So in this video, you're going to be able to see a ride along with me, a rookie, on my 1066. So tune in. Hey guys, all right, so in this video we're gonna have some updates, but the first thing I want to talk about is last night Carlin's mom dropped a beautiful letter onto Instagram and shared it with all of us, and it was the letter to the PPIHC organization and basically the rest of us. It was an awesome letter, and I just want to talk about that for a moment. And basically the gist of it is she talked about her wonderful son, who was an incredible man, and also the love that he had for Pikes Peak and the love she wants to continue to see Pikes Peak have through allowing motorcycles to continue race on that. And I'll have another video on that. I've got some things to say with that, but I totally agree with her. What a remarkable woman, and just appreciate her heart in sharing with us her son, her thoughts, and her support for the racing community. Also, we're going to be talking about our pulling tractors. So before I do that, just stay tuned, because again, you're going to have recorded footage on board with me on our pulling tractor. Holy smoke. Before I do that, there's a big box over here. And this is a gift from my family at Quest Industrial. So as some of you know, or most of you know, is we did sell Quest Industrial, and about 3 months ago, to a wonderful company called ProMach. So if you have end-of-line packaging secondary needs in robotics, automation, and equipment, check out Quest Industrial and the ProMach family. So I showed up after Pikes Peak, and my Quest family had this for me. So let's unbox this bad boy. Oh yes. This is what they got me, was a custom neon sign. It says Quest Industrial. And as you guys probably could tell from my past videos, is I like neon. And so this is a cool sign they had custom made for me. Extension cord down here. And I'm gonna kind of get a little tricky here. We're gonna plug this in and take a look at it. So here's the sign. Bam. Back up a little bit so you can see it. And then I'm going to turn it on. And then this thing should auto adjust. So there you are. You can see how new it is. The blue is a lot darker than probably what it shows, but it's still burning in. But I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, you guys, for this. It means the world to me that you guys would think of me and build me custom neon to go in my garage. So yes, I have an affinity for neon, and some of you may be asking why. So there's two memories for me that really sealed in neon for me. One is the fact that as a little kid, I didn't have very good eyesight, and I didn't have very good eyesight for a long time because I would always throw out my eye exams from school. Finally, it got so bad that I just couldn't see anything and everything was blurry, and my mom took me to pick up my glasses, and we drove down the main avenue of that town, and it was at night, and I put on my glasses, and it was like seeing for the first time. I was totally blown away by what the neon looked like, and I've always loved neon, but that was again in my life where all of a sudden all the edges became clear, colors were colors, nothing blended together, and it's just a good memory for me. The other thing is that growing up, neon was a norm. It wasn't a minority, so there was a lot of neon, but I love dealerships and their neons, and so you'll see some of that I got around here, and this neon here I really appreciate as well. So I'm excited. It'll get hung up in my garage, and it'll be awesome. So let's talk a little bit about tractor pulling. So I've had some questions about tractor pulling. Why are you tractor pull? Why do you do it? Years ago I used to help a gentleman pull, Alan Schneider, a good man, really got along with him. I miss him a lot, and actually now I'm thinking about I need to reach out to him and have dinner with him sometime. But Al and Carol were like aunts and uncles to me, and he let me pull with him, and we did a lot with his pulling tractor. And I've always liked tractor pulling. Then when we got the ag business, we thought the tractor was a good way to advertise. Long story short, here I am holding a pulling tractor. And so what we have is a 1066 International. We call it Holy Smoke. Obviously, me being a pastor, it kind of fit. And I am just uber excited to have it. So Saturday night, this video that you're going to see after I'm done talking here is a video of me pulling. It's my second time only pulling. The track was a tricky track. Everybody was trying to read it. And I think Tristan did a pretty good job. He set me on a good place. I think we had tire pressures right. I think just the driver learning, when to let up the clutch, how long to ride it out, what RPM to launch at. Still learning all these things. And it's a little bit different in tractor pulling. Most people are kind of tight-lipped. In fact, we really couldn't get anybody to help us. And the people that probably would have given us help as to how to read the track and what we should be running, they weren't there. And so we just kind of had to, again, just throw something at a dartboard and go. And so you'll see in the end of this video, I'm actually pretty excited about our pull. We beat our goal of what we wanted to pull. We wanted to make 305 feet at least, and we made it past that. So I was super excited. I think it was a good pull for us being in our first year. We're pulling against a lot of people with experience. But the pulling community is pretty good. They're pretty accepting. Everybody's been pretty nice to us, and we enjoy it. So the other question I have is, people have asked me, is it scary? There's not a whole lot that scares me. I have a lot of fun on it, so I can say that. It's a lot of horsepower. These things are well over 1,000 horsepower, and your wheel speed is spinning, and so some of the wheel speeds are anywhere from 45 to 65 miles per hour on wheel speed. So we tend to have fun doing what we're doing, and I think a lot of pullers do it because they like it. They're hardworking farmers, and for us it's a great time for us to be able to get out and meet people and have fun. So I'm serious when I say if it's got wheels, I'll race it. So if someone out there's got something for me to race, I'm going to come race it. If it's safe, I'll come race it. So, and I don't mean like, I understand racing up Pikes Peak, some people view as safe, but the vehicles are safe, the things are safe. So if it's a safe and sound vehicle, I'll race it. And then obviously you guys seen some of our videos, so we're going to continue things. The last thing is, a lot of you have seen my pictures drop of our new Ford Raptor. And so I'm going to try doing a ride along with that in the next couple weeks here, kind of give you a review. But I am impressed with the Raptor. I was one of the fans that was a little disappointed to go to the V6, but I am impressed with its torque and power, and I love to hear the turbos and exhaust. So it keeps a smile on my face. So tune in. This is a ride along with yours truly, Fastest Pastor, on our pulling tractor, International 1066, named Holy Smoke, Saturday at Darington. Tune in, check it in. If you're watching this video, please subscribe, like, and share. I would really appreciate it. God bless you guys and love you guys.